Good afternoon, everyone on this call. If you are hearing me and you are seeing my picture, please can you drop a one for me in the chat box? Please drop a one for me in the chat box. If you are hearing me and you are seeing me, drop a one for me in the chat box. Okay, Mojishola, Ruth, George, Joe. Please, if you are a leader on this call and you need to have some people that are supposed to be here with you, they are not yet here, please, can you just quickly place a call across to them so that in the next 2 minutes we can hit the ground running. I welcome everyone here. Olarin Oyeoluwatoyin, you came very early. That is good. That is the right kind of mindset that we love to see on this platform. That's the right kind of mindset that we build for our community, the community of mentoring that we are building. And I believe that it will take you far. Just watch it, it will take you far. So please, all the co-hosts, please help me with admitting people. Let me just talk briefly about this community and the program, Financial Mentoring with Yemi Ayodele. And my mentorship code is this: I've always known that without a mentor in life, you are left to the limit of your struggles. How many of us believe that? How many of us have discovered that without a mentor in your life, you are left to the limit of your struggles? If you believe it, type it for me in the chat box. Please, for those of you that are attending for the first time, we are always engaged in the chat box. So everything I say that hits the fabric of your system, you type it in the chat box. Anything I say that hits, that makes a lot of sense to you, that hits the fabric of yours, you type it in the chat box. So I've always known that that without a mentor in life, you are left to the limit of your struggles. But with a mentor, you are given a wing to fly on. With a mentor, you have a wing to fly. That therefore I've lived my life trying to mentor young and at times older people in various aspects of life, but most especially financially and spiritually. The result of the mentorship is a growing community of mentees with unbelievable results. Some of their testimonials you will read on our platforms. Now, I also say that if you can film an idea in your mind and you follow that idea, you know how a video film is shot, and you follow that idea shot for shot, scene for scene, that idea is sure going to see the light of the day. That idea is sure going to see the light of the day. With a mentor, you have a wing to fly. Without a mentor, you are limited by your struggle to the extent of your struggles. Yes. So some of you get to know me over time. Our goal in this community is to raise 10,000 wealthy individuals, to raise 10,000 wealthy people by 2025. And how do we intend to achieve it? Financial mentoring with Yemi Ayodele was set up as an organization. That's the big idea. The organization to mentor and empower young urban professionals and entrepreneurs with the essentials of wealth creation and financial management. And then we went on to define our vision is to be a community of wealthy people championing necessary change in society and contributing to the development of Africa. Now, what's our mission? Our mission is to raise a community of the wealthy. This we do by helping every member to build wealth from scratch by understanding wealth mindset, leveraging on time-tested and proven systems of wealth creation, and helping them to plug into platforms to make, manage, and multiply wealth. Ladies and gentlemen, our values are modesty, discipline, integrity, learning, commitment, and accountability. Ladies and gentlemen, our model, the model of this community is to engage the entire world space with mentorship training. This we do every Saturday, and that is what you are on now. Mentorship training to expand your awareness, to create in you and for you a wealthy mindset to begin the journey to wealth. And the next thing we do is to exhibit the second level of our mentorship model is to exhibit products and opportunities, make you understand and know products and opportunities that the wealthy take advantage of to position, that position them into wealth. Then when you have done this, you have attended the mentorship training, you also see the opportunities and products, then you can decide that you want to be a member of the community by joining the community. And in that community, what do we do? Basically, what we do is that we know that you are attaining knowledge and expanding your awareness and building a wealthy mindset. So what we do is to build your discipline. The community helps build your discipline. When you see 20 people doing the same thing all the time in a particular way, living a kind of lifestyle, it will build a discipline, and then it will create a culture in you. And that is the point of success. When you get to that, it's a 3-level mentorship model. Then the rest is to now get into practical mentorship. And when we get that, after you have completed and signed the mentorship registration form, then, like I say, to be a member of the community is free, but it's very costly. It's free, but it's costly. You don't need any naira or dollar to join. But when you join, you lose control over your finances. You no more take any financial decision without your lead mentor. Now, when you get into that mentorship, we take what we call a definition of your wealth ambition. How wealthy do you want to be? And then you define it by saying the kind of lifestyle you want to live. For somebody like me, I want to be able to every year, twice a year, travel out of the country, even if it's for 1 week, for rest. For somebody like me, I want to change my car every 2 years to the latest cars. So your wealth ambition will be taken. Then we will now define what's the capital requirement for you to enter into that level of wealth that you are ambitioning in your mind. Then we will tell you the best fit method for capital accumulation and multiplication. Then here you are in wealth. You are on the journey to wealth. Ladies and gentlemen, and for those of you that are joining for the first time, you are in the mentorship training. On Sunday, by the same time, 2 p.m., we show you products and opportunities that the wealthy take advantage of to enter into wealth. Then if you think you love this community, you will see some of the testimonials of the community members, then you can immediately sign on. After this program, we will drop the link in case you want to join the community. But please, it's not something to jump to do. It's something that you need to make up. Something must be driving you. You must have had something in the training that makes you know that you cannot going to live your life this way. You just need to do something differently in 2021. On 23rd of December, we had a program planning your finances for a better 2021. And if you attended it, you will know that if you live the way you live 2020, you will not go far. But some things have been defined in that program that I believe that we need to guide you into doing them and to join the community to see how people are already doing it. Now, our target is that in the first year, which was last year, we're going to have membership growth timeline 200. This year, we're going to increase it to 500 membership. By year 3, 2022, we will have 2,000 membership. Year 4, 4,000. And year 5, we achieve success that's defined, 10,000 wealthy people. And that is, let me read a few testimonials to some of us who are attending for the first time. Let me read a few testimonials of our community members. Somebody's here, what's his name now? He's saying, this is George's testimonials. I thank God for making me a partaker of this financial mentoring program. From this program, I've learned how to be financially disciplined. I've also learned how to reduce unnecessary expenses and save it for investment. I also learned how to control my resources by channeling into investment. This program has changed my perspective on creating wealth. Through this financial mentoring program, God has helped me to develop a strong desire for wealth creation, which I am already working on. Personally, what I learned from my mentor, Yemi Ayodele, has challenged me in taking action by creating artificial scarcity lifestyle approach on my journey to creating wealth. That's one of the testimonials of George, a member of the community. This is Joy. She said, Financial mentoring with Yemi Adele has been a blessing to my mindset and orientation. Before joining the mentorship program, my finance had been spent as I earn. I usually save, but it has been towards a need, a challenge, a problem, which takes me back to square one. FIMIA, as its acronym, changed my understanding towards spending and investment and has taught me how to invest rightly. And now, within 2 months, I have started earning 5 figures every week and still building, which I never thought was possible. Now my spending habits have changed. I invest more. Thank you, Yemi Ayodele, for this wonderful platform. That's Joy saying it. This is David. He said, I've been a member of the mentorship training with Yemi Ayodele for over 2 months now, and it's the best thing that has happened to me this year. That was 2020. As many areas of my life is experiencing a paradigm shift. The program has shaped my financial life for the better, making earning in 7 digits in a week a reality. I am confident to proclaim that all these positive and exciting men are a result of my mentors' immense contribution. Thank you, dear coach, for all you do. This is one of our several of our members, of our community members, making 5 digits, high 5 digits, 6 digits, and a few 7 digits every week, not every month. 5 digits is from 10,000 to 99,000. 6 digits every week. 6 digits is 100,000 to 999,000. 7 digits, as you see for David and a few others, is earning over 1 million every single week. I don't know how many jobs will give you that. This is the testimony of Olusegun. He said, I had in the past lost huge sums of money to failed investment. When I came in contact with Yemi Ayodele on the financial mentoring program, and I have a better knowledge in investment principles. Also, I have been able to conquer the fear of past failures. His teachings are superb and real. It has built confidence in me and changed my concept about wealth acquisition. Let's look at this one, maybe one more before we go. Before joining the committee of the financial mentoring with Yemi Ayodele, he said, I was looking for how to grow in several areas of my life, but most especially in my financial discipline. After joining his training sessions and signing on to his community, was able to reshape my mindset and grow my finances to high 5 and 6 figures a week. I cannot stress the value of the program enough, especially when you are willing to put in all the work that is required. Ladies and gentlemen, I said here that the world see where the world is going and move the world before the world moves. By the time the world moves, it lands in the hand of the wealthy. That's why it looks as if the wealthy are the one twisting and directing the flow of the world. Why? Because they have discovered before the world moved, they discover where the world is going. They move there before the world arrives, and when the world is arriving, it's arriving in the hand of the wealthy. Ladies and gentlemen, and that's what makes them to be continually relevant. When you join our community, the first assignment I have is to expose your mind to the philosophy of wealth. Then reprogram your orientation, reprogram your mind, reprogram your brain, and expand your awareness. I work to develop your mindset and discipline and bring you into a community culture. Ladies and gentlemen, our different social media platform where you can read up, see financial related information, educative information is on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WordCard Mentor. On the YouTube, you can subscribe to our channel. Please let one of the mentees, member of the community, drop the YouTube channel on the chat box so that if you are here and you have not signed on and subscribed to the YouTube channel, you can just click on that link in the chat box. So please let one of the mentees, let's drop the YouTube link so that anyone that wants to join. So when any of our social media platform, almost every day you have the cryptocurrency update, you have a financial and monetary policies, you have quotes from me like this one say, profit is what you get when your money works for you. And then that is how we go. That is how we roll. And today I want to just talk to us. It's going to be a very short session. It's a new year. I don't want to take all the time today, but I just want to talk to you about how you spend your time. I want to talk to you about how you spend your time. What is important to you? What are the things that you do? Are those things adding value to your life? Today, you will see everybody complains. For now, imagine today I sent an invitation to more than 500 people. I mean, more than, I had a broadcast list that is full to capacity 255, 255. That's over 500 people. But you can imagine only 12 people are here. The reason is everybody is forming busy. Everybody forms busy. And the question I ask is, in all your business last year, please tell me how much dollars you earned. If the things that is getting you busy does not add money to you, does not improve your relationship with God, those things are as useless as any other thing. It's as useless as going to the loo, to the toilet and sitting there from morning till night. If whatever you are doing that makes you say you are busy, everyone is busy. Yes, I'm busy, you are busy, all of us are busy. But the question is, sit back as at 2020 and look at what made you busy in 2020. How much dollar did it add to your account? And how much does it improve your relationship with God? Those are the two things that I think are important in whatever gets you busy. If it does not add money to you, does not improve your relationship with God, then you need to change. You need to look at them again and decide that you need to do those things that improves you. Focus more your energy on those things that improves you. Put your energy into the things that gives you the best results. Is somebody hearing me this afternoon? Put your energy into those things that gives you the best result. I want the chat box. The chat box is very slow. It's very weak. I'm not seeing pumpings into the chat box. Put your energy into those things that gives you the best result. Stop getting busy achieving nothing. Stop getting busy not having result. Get busy with what the things that gives you the best result, the best result. And let me tell you, one of those things is the program that you are attending today, because what we do here is to reshape your mindset. And then today, I want to talk about smart work and hard work. And I want to talk about systems. What the world they do is to create a system. That is what we are doing in this mentorship program. We create a system, we plug you into that system. The system is already created, it's being fine-tuned every day. And what we do, the moment you sign in, we plug you into that system. It's a system that works. And from the message I sent to you today, you see, system is an acronym for save yourself time, energy, and money. The things that you are doing that consumes your money, the thing that you are doing that consumes your time, the thing that you are doing that consumes your energy. You can save yourself those things by plugging in into an already modeled system. When you are in a model system, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to reinvent yourself. Yourself. Save no, it is save yourself time. Save yourself time, energy, and money. E is missing in that definition. Save yourself time, energy, and money. Look at those things that you spend your time on, your energy on, your money on. There are processes that can help you to take like 90% of it off, because the system has been created, is working. You don't need to spend a dime to get into that system. You don't need to spend a time to define the system again. You don't need to spend energy to get the system running. The system is just running. Someone has defined the system and it's running. And so what they were, they find a system that is working and they plug themselves into it. And that is what we also call hard work, smart work as against hard work. Many things that we do today that makes us not to have results is because it is hard work. It is hard work. Hard work don't ever give the best result. Hard work does not give the best result. Hard work is most times 90% activity and 10% productivity. Hard work is 90% activity, 10% productivity at the best. But when you see smart work is 10% activity, 90% productivity. I'm not getting, somebody is not learning this afternoon. I say hard work most often than not is 90% activity, 10% productivity. But when you see a smart work, it's 10% activity, 90% result, producing 90% result. What does that mean? You can do all the work that you want to do. Like I said during the 23rd December program, we need people to cook the food that we eat, fine. But sincerely, I don't want to be among those that are providing that kind of hard work service. We need people that will run the shops, that will run the supermarkets. We need people that will run the boutiques. We need people that will run the eateries. But sincerely, I am not in that category of people that wants to put in those kind of hard work. I want to be among the people who are taking advantage of the digital platforms. That is where the smart work is, or in this century. That is why the smart work is. You are not, you are not, a mechanic is good. Without mechanics, we will not run our cars. Without eateries, we will not have food, quick food on time to eat. We are coming from work. You are a woman, you cannot go through the steps of cooking again, or you are a bit down in your health, you cannot go through cooking again. You need something, somewhere to run to. But sincerely, I tell you, 90% may be attending to all of those, can be mechanics, can own boutiques, can own eateries. I have chosen not to get myself involved in hard work. Let me tell you, if it's going to cost me $1,000 to ship my food from Lagos to Abuja in Nigeria, if it will arrive in the next 30 minutes to eat it, so that I will not have to cook, or I will not have to open an eatery, and I will be fine, so that I can concentrate on the 10% activity that gives me 90% result. That is what we call smart work. Somebody type smart work. Smart work, 10% activity, 90% productivity. Smart work saves you energy. Smart work saves you time. Smart work saves you money. Yesterday I had a meeting, a session with a group of people, about 10 or 15 of them. It's a team, and I was seated in my room. I just had my lunch, and I just moved to my studio room, and I did a fabulous work. I know how much had come in from that work. If I was not smart, I would have driven to 10 people's homes, or driven to their offices to do the same thing that I did right from my room. And without stepping out of my room, I knew how much I earned under 1 hour. That is smart work. I put in 10% activity. I just had to sit up for 1 hour. And with that, money came in foreign currency. But you can run around, you burn your fuel, you jump out of your house. In the process, sometimes you enter holdups. In the process, sometimes your car will bash someone, and all of that. And in all those activity, by the time you get to that person, he will say, "Oh, I told you to come too. You are just coming 2:15, and I already have another appointment. You have missed that." So you can engage in smart work. Ladies and gentlemen, this year, look at every activity that you are undertaking. And that's why it's important for you to have a mentor. Get across to your mentor, how better can I do this? When the meeting was going to be scheduled, and that person say, "How do we do now that there's COVID?" I said, even COVID or no COVID, And when I started the training session, I came online and I showed my face, and I told the people I wanted to see the face behind this, behind the talk, because I'm going to switch off my phone so that I can keep my network stable. And when later some people joined along the line, before the end, somebody was saying, "We can't see who is talking." I said, "I've told the team before I finish, I'm going to show my face again." And I showed my face. And so at the end of the day, I was smart in my work. I hardly put in 2% activity. The journey I would have ran through the entire city, across the city. I didn't leave my house. I didn't buy fuel. I didn't spend my energy to drive, and I didn't spend money. At the end of the day, I optimized my time. The driving time of about 2 hours, coming back 2 hours, and all the holdups, I beat it to sitting for 1 hour and delivering qualitative result-based output, and it brought volumes to me. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to understand smart work. And so when there is a system that already defines what you need to do, many of us, we never saw anything good about the lockdown in COVID. But let me tell you, I learned a lot of lessons. One of the lessons I learned was that I can do my job better. I can perform my tasks better. I don't need to run everywhere. I don't need to wake up in the morning and get on the road. I can just fix my things right in the house. I can attend trainings. It was during the lockdown that I discovered that I could attend. There were days during the lockdown that I attended. There was a day, it was massive. I attended 7 trainings in one day, online, sitting in my room, taking my lunch beside my computer, taking my breakfast beside my computer. Sometimes I walk off, I walk away, I hold my device, I plug my earpiece to my disc, I relax around. Sometimes I'm even I'm gymming, and yet I have my earpiece, I'm listening to a lecture. Ladies and gentlemen, that lockdown made me to understand and to define my process in a more efficient manner so that I can do my activities by taking advantage of systems that have been provided to maximize my time, energy, and money. Maximizing my time, optimizing my time, energy, and money. The things I used to put my energy to, I no more put into them. The things I put my money to, I no more put into them. I no more buy fuel the way I used to buy fuel. I no more drive the way I used to drive. Why? Because we've discovered a more efficient way. But many of us, the moment the lockdown was eased, we were in a hurry to return back to the traditional way. That means that you have not learned anything. You have not learned anything from the lockdown. If you still run your life the way you used to run it before the lockdown, that means you are not smart. You are not smart. It was during the lockdown I discovered how massive the digital space is. How massive. I know the digital platforms. I know how the digital space works, but I didn't know how massive it was. And I didn't know that there's no lockdown that ever locked down the crypto world, that ever locked down the Forex world, whether there's lockdown. In fact, it is at the lockdown period that the volumes are increasing. Why? Because so everybody needs to do something and they do it on the digital platform. And so Forex are trading, cryptos are trading. At the same time, people were crying and they couldn't step out because they have lived a life of if they don't step out. You see some people, they wear their suits in the morning, they jump on the buses, not because they have any appointment, but they are used to this traditional method of running blood and body to make it seem to their neighbor, to their friends, that they are actually producing result or working. Ladies and gentlemen, activity without productivity is a waste of time. Activity without productivity ends you up a little faster in the down the grave earlier than you should. Why? Because when there is activity and there's no productivity, it leads to what? It leads to frustration. It leads to frustration. I've never been happier in my life than to know that I don't need to spend up to 10% of the energy I used to spend, and I can get more than 1,000% of what I used to get. Did you hear what I said? I said, I've never been happier than knowing that I can spend 10% of the energy I used to put, of the money I used to spend, of the time I used to waste, and get 1,000 more times more results. I've never been happier than discovering it. And one of the things that made me to discover that was the lockdown. You know, ladies and gentlemen, you need to redefine your processes. You need to allow someone to help you redefine your processes so that you are not running the way, the life that you used to run. You know, on last week on the 23rd training, I was showing us who a traditionalist is. Who a traditionalist is. A traditionalist is someone who is stuck in his ways. A traditionalist is someone who is a herbalist, like a herbalist. A man stuck into the traditional ways of making money is a traditionalist, a herbalist. A herbalist is not a charmer, it's not a charm maker. It's just a man who just is locked into the ways of having to go search for leaves to mix them together to be able to get well, to be able to make someone get well. when people have defined processes and systems that are taking all of those plants in their natural raw form and have made it into tablets that you can just pick and swallow. But if a herbalist wants to still go to the bush and fetch all of those leaves, all of those herbs, all of those roots, and in the process, sometimes they cut the wrong woods, they cut the wrong roots, they cut the wrong herbs, and they mix it up and they poison people's body. But the system has been developed. So if you're a traditionalist, you need to think about it. If you're a herbalist, you need to think about it. If you don't believe in the forex, if you don't believe in foreign exchange, digital foreign exchange, if you don't believe in crypto trading, if you don't believe in digital trades, or you think that they don't have tangibility, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, you cannot survive the next 2 years. I'm telling you without mincing words, you cannot survive the next 2 years. If you want to run the restaurant, keep running them. I will come and buy from you. I will even ask to deliver to my doorstep because that's the smart way. I don't need to ever step out. Some time ago, I was trying to buy a few things and I looked at it. It was cheaper where I would have gotten it somewhere in the shopping mall in Abuja, Nigeria. But I just discovered that for over 2 weeks, I've just been procrastinating that I will create time to go and buy it. So one day I just told myself, I just logged on to Jumia and I put my this thing, I searched it, it was about a few naira more expensive, but I ordered for it. What I couldn't achieve in 2 weeks, I achieved it in 3 days. In 3 days, it was delivered to me, and I've been procrastinating going to the shopping mall to go and buy it for 2 weeks. So since then, I made up my mind, there's nothing I want to buy I cannot get through Jumia. There's nothing I want. Even I want food and I want it in 30 minutes, I can get it delivered. That is smart work. Say smart work. Type it in the chat box, smart work. You must engage in smart work this year. The traditional hard work no more pays. It cannot get you to enter into wealth. It cannot get you to achieve anything great in life. Tell me how many shops are there that were there 5 years ago. Today, in fact, when you look at the routine today, I can give you an example of the place I live, Abuja, Nigeria, Lagos, I've been there. You discover that eateries open and close, shut down. They open for 3 years, 2 years, 1 year sometimes, and they shut down. Why? Because people are looking for flavors and not just flavor of the food, but the flavor of the environment. So the moment you start up and your environment looks touch and nice, they come there, they patronize you. The moment another one opens up, they move there. So if you run a system like that, but forex is forex, crypto is crypto, Bitcoin is Bitcoin, Ethereum is Ethereum. No matter where they're looking for you every time, every moment to buy from you. Right now, after this meeting, I'm buying some thousands of Tron for the project that is coming up on Monday, and I don't have to leave my seat. I don't have now. If you want to buy the paper dollars, you can't do it from your room. You need to step out, go and find a malam out there. Go sometimes drive as far as to 1 hour, 30 minutes drive to locate a place where you can make exchange. But in the digital space, I don't need to move out of my house to buy Bitcoin. I don't need to move out of my house to buy US dollars in digital space. I just do it right on my system and it's delivered to me right on my system. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the smart way. That is the way of the 22nd century. That's the way of the now. You need to understand that digital space is where the smart work is. Many of us carry our phones around, and all we do is to be a consumer on the phone. You consume products, you consume apps, you consume games, you consume videos. But what are you producing? What is coming to your purse? This my phone alone this year, 2021, had produced some dollars for me just on my phone. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the smart work. That is the smart work. Don't be a consumer on the social media platform. Be a beneficiary of the wealth, massive wealth that's available on this platform. Ladies and gentlemen, it's important. It's important that you know. I've said it before, in the next 2 years, wealth is going to be redefined. Wealth is going to be redefined. The people that we used to look at as being wealthy are going to be sidetracked because the wealth is now resident in the digital platform. Wealth is no more in that big shop. Somebody has a big shopping mall, and then you are envying them. Let me tell you, wealth is going to move. It's already moved. But in the next 1-2 years, it's going to be massive, that people who are not tagging along in the digital space will be totally left behind. They'll be totally left behind. And last about 8 weeks now, it's up to 8 weeks now, when I was training on Sunday, showing products and opportunities, because in the mentorship community that I belong to in America, we had a prior knowledge that Bitcoin was going to jack up, massively. So we had a speculation that in the next 1 week it was going to move from 5.2 to 7 million. And so I came here and I announced to you on Sunday, about that 8 weeks ago, that anyone that has money should go and buy Bitcoin, because it's going to move from minimum of from 5, then it was 5.2 to about 7 million. That was on Sunday. By Monday, the move started. PayPal announced the adoption of Bitcoin for payment on its platform, and within 3 days, Bitcoin moved from 5.2 to 6.9 million. And then it kept moving, moved to 8 million, moved to 9 million, moved to 12 million. As we speak, as at this morning, Bitcoin had crossed the boundary of $30,000. Ladies and gentlemen, as we speak, Bitcoin is above $30,000. Now, $30,000, when you look at it, times whatever rate you want to use, is almost 15 million naira. Imagine just 8 weeks ago, you listen to the mentor's instruction, and you go even to the bank at 50% to borrow 5.2 million, you will have been worth 15 million today, 300% increase within 8 weeks. Where can you get that? Which shopping mall do you want to open to get that? How many eateries do you want to open to get that? 15 million profit, 10 million profit over 5 million investment in 8 weeks. Where can you get that? Who is deceiving you to think that that real estate can multiply your wealth? Real estate is not a wealth multiplication product. It is a wealth fortification product. I taught this on the 23rd of December. Real estate is never going to multiply your wealth. It is not in the financial system to use real estate to multiply wealth. It is used to fortify wealth, to tie down wealth. After you have multiplied wealth and you want to create physical tangibility for your wealth, you can use it to buy real estate. Like I gave in the 23rd training, if you want to buy a 2-bedroom flat in my environment where I live in Abuja, you will not get anything less than 35 million naira. And let's assume that you rent out the flat, 2-bedroom flat, at 1 million. It will take you 35 years to recoup your capital. And on the 36th year, you start making profit. So how can you say real estate is a wealth multiplication product? Real estate is never a wealth. So in our community, I've had people, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, who had real estate, who had lands, who had things like that, who had sold them off to put it rightly into wealth multiplication product, so that they can grow their wealth. And when they have satisfactorily grown their wealth, then they can move on to acquire, to fortify their wealth by tying it down into real estate. Ladies and gentlemen, the summary of our talk today is smart work as against hard work. Smart work as against hard work. I said again, if you remember, I said I've never been as excited to discover that I can put in less than 10% of the energy, time, money that I used to put in, and get more than 1,000% better results. Why? Because I understood smart work against hard work. I've never in my life been as excited as knowing that there are some products I will never again move close to. There are some investment, there are some business, let me not call them investment, there are some business I will never move close to. Why? Because they are energy consuming, they are time consuming, and they are money consuming. Ladies and gentlemen, I saw somebody who bought a house somewhere close to me here and pulled it down and erected a new really beautiful shop, you know. And when I got inside there, I estimated from my basic experience of building, I estimated how much the building would have cost. I put it at about 20 million to erect the new building for the shopping mall. And when I looked at the entire items there, I'm not even sure that it's up to 20 million. And I think about how long it will take to recycle this product over and over again, and before it can even pay for the building work alone. You know, that's why many people, many of us, we envy a lot of business out there. You see somebody open a shop, say, "Ah, God, why not help me like this person?" Let me tell you, I don't want those kind of blessings. I want a blessing that adds no stress to it, a blessing that adds no waste to it, a blessing that adds no stress. You know, that's the kind of blessing I want. And if you want that kind of blessing, if you want that kind of wealth, stop thinking traditionally. Stop thinking herbalistically. Think smartly. Think smartly. Think digital, and think smart. Think, don't forget, time, energy, and money. System. Move away from anything that takes massively your time, your energy, and your money. Move into a space where you can sit in your room and press buttons, and thousands of dollars of Bitcoin are coming to you. Very recently, I posted some airdrops on some of our platforms, and a few people that took advantage of it. As a matter of fact, I know how much I got from those airdrops, just clicking buttons and registering and sharing some information on my platform, and then I was credited with coins in the crypto world. I know if I sell, I'm going to get some dollars back into my account. Ladies and gentlemen, that is hard work. Yes, stop thinking herbalistically, stop thinking traditionally. Don't forget that anytime you are thinking, you are planning something, is this traditional or is this smart? Is it traditional? Is it digital? The digital space is the smart place. The digital place is the smart way. The digital way is the smart way. So get on the digital space and see how massive the opportunities there are there. And ladies and gentlemen, in case you need my guidance and support to mentor you in this journey, like I said, we are creating a community. So you see the call to action: build a wealthy mindset, get familiar with digital space, change your community. If 5 friends, your best friend, 5 of your best friends around you, I mean the closest of your friends, 5 of them, if they are not looking like what you want to look like in the next 1 year, please, you need to change them. That's why you need to come into a community where everybody is talking, wow, I just made $2,700. Somebody said, wow, I just made $7,200. You know, when you are in that kind of community, you know your system will be reorganized, and you just know that you can make wealth at the tip of your finger. Take action now. Get a mentor who will guide you. Not everything in life we know. We know you know something, but let me tell you, like I always say, I said in one of my quotes, you can be informed and not be updated. So you are good. You are a chartered accountant, very good. I have chartered accountants in my mentorship who continue to appreciate God for making them come under my mentorship. I have medical doctors under my mentorship. You know, when they discover that all the traditional jobs that they are doing cannot fetch them half of what they will get in 1 week in a month, you know, they just discover that they can be smarter. They can be smarter. Ladies and gentlemen, you need a mentor who is versatile in the financial system, who is versatile in the investment system, who also have a wealthy mindset, who had experienced the ups and downs investment. He has seen the rocky road, he has seen the bumps on the road on the road to wealth, and he has been able to manage the bumps, and now he's cruising safely. You need a mentor. You need a mentor. I said that a day with a mentor, this 1 hour you've had with me, a day with a mentor can put you 10 decades ahead of your mates in life. A day with a mentor can put you 10 decades ahead of your mates in life. So do you still want to be rubbing body with your mates? Like I said, the 5 of your friends, the 5 closest friends that you have don't resemble the kind of people you want, the kind of person you want to be in future. You need to change your community. Avoid analysis paralysis. Avoid analysis paralysis. What is analysis paralysis? When you overanalyze an opportunity and you, because of that, you are paralyzed in one position. You never take a step. You keep looking at it. Will it work? And my question is, why will it not work? What if it does not work? Why will it not work? I want to see, somebody will say, I want to have result before I talk to other people. I say, whose result do you want to see more than a result of somebody like me? I was on a national platform of a company today, training from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. And I showed them one of my investments. And I showed them how I withdrew some money last day just for some emergency, close to $3,000. You know, what evidence do you want to see? If you are that one that is analyzing and want to see evidence of yourself, how do you see evidence when you are refused to start? How can you have evidence when you have refused to start? Until you start, you cannot have evidence. And so whose evidence do you need to start? You need the evidence of somebody like me. You need evidence of someone who has tasted it. You need evidence of somebody who's been there, who has seen it all, who has tried, who has failed, who has tried, who has been successful, who is now stable. That's the evidence you need. You cannot expect to show people your own evidence if you are just starting. So you need the experience of people who have stayed. You need to see my experience there. On Sunday, sometimes I display my mentees, my community members' results. 2 Sundays ago, I displayed my community members' result. One person earning $3,840 in one single week. So whose experience again do you want to see? You can't see a starter's experience as an experience. So look for the experience of people who have been there, who have seen it all, who have come with massive results. And about 3 months ago, I presented on this platform the #1 man in Africa on a particular product and company, who is a 31-year-old, just married February 2020, and yet he earns between 80,000 to 150,000 every single week, 80 to 150,000 every single week. And some of us were on the platform when he said, one night, about 2 weeks ago, he was talking on the platform. One night, he woke up to discover that his wife was not sleeping. And he asked the wife, why are you not sleeping? She said, nothing. He said, no, you are not sleeping. You are just sitting up on the bed. She said, I'm afraid the kind of money we have, what will we do with it? Can you imagine that? She was afraid the kind of money that they had, $150,000. Thank you very well. Say, yes, $150,000 a week. So the wife was afraid. Sir, what are we going to do with this money? We've been making it for the past 1 year. 150,000. There was a time he won 100,000 cash. There was a time when he got to the second highest grade in the entire company, he was entitled to 250,000 cash. What are we going to be doing with this money? Added to $150,000 every week. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the smart way. A 31-year-old boy. And God helped him to discover this way very early in life. As a secondary school boy, he was already in the digital space. As a university student, he was already bringing companies to Nigeria who are operating in the digital space. Ladies and gentlemen, that is smart work. Many of us were just struggling, thinking that life will work on hard work. No, no, no. I don't know how many Christians and Muslims are here, but I read that Bible. It said, in vain you rise up early, you sleep late, and eat the bread of sorrow. The most people around town today, when I lived in Lagos, were the load carriers. As early as 4 a.m., where I used to live in K2, close to the main express, you will hear the Molues blaring their horns, and it is these people that are jumping in and jumping, and they are returning by 11:30 p.m. And then they eat the bread of sorrow. What they find, all the money they got for the day is just for them to just for them to be able to feed their family for the next day only. Is that where you want to continue? Is that where you want to continue? This year, you need to be smart and begin by getting on board, get a mentor, take action. You understand? Avoid analysis paralysis. I'm going to be talking about some massive investment opportunities, products that the wealthy take advantage of to get into wealth are tomorrow by 2 p.m. A particular one is taking off on Monday, 4th of January. All of us are already saving up. For those of us in the community that already know, we're already saving up. Just $100, which promise to produce massive results in less than 2 months. You know, we're already saving up. 4th of January, we are launching in. There are products that we are on. There are products that are coming in. You know, that is just what we psych ourselves to get into in our community. That's why I say it's cheap, but very expensive. If you intend or you are loving what I'm saying, but you are not able to make sacrifices, because if you join our community, a minimum of 50% of your income must, including your gifts, including every form of income, must come in for investment every month. And after 6 months, that 50% increases to 80%. You know, I don't used to announce this on the public discussion before until you pick your form. But I said to myself, I'll be announcing it because I don't want someone to come in and wants to go out. If you are not willing to make that sacrifice of 50% of your income every month, including your gifts, they dash you 100,000. Every quarter, I pick up your statement of account to analyze it. So if you are not willing for this journey, you are not willing to go, you are not prepared for the journey for wealth. And after 6 months, because we'll have so taught you how to make money in several ways, you will be willing to drop 80% minimum. And that is the way we run. And with that, having products and opportunities, we help you put it into places where it can be multiplied. And in 2 years on the medium term, you are on the way to the wealth. In 5 years, you arrive in wealth. And we say it this way, that in 2 years, you can say, by the grace of God, I can never be poor again. And in 5 years, you will say, anything, I mean anything I want in life, I can afford it, including a private jet, including I want to buy a ship, including I want to buy up Amazon. You know, that is the focus. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where I'm going to end this mentorship training. Stop thinking traditionally, stop thinking herbalistically. The digital space is the space. Please, the members of the community, I ask that the YouTube channel be dropped. I can't see it. Please, can somebody drop the YouTube channel? On the YouTube channel, you will see all the mentorship training of every Saturday for over 3 months is on the YouTube channel. Please drop the YouTube channel there for me now. And having listened to me too, if you want to take a step and having said everything without hiding anything from you, to become a member of that community, the link will also be dropped for you. Please, who is there? Where is Ruth? Where is Josephine? Where's Moses? Please drop for me the YouTube channel link and the link for the mentorship, practical mentorship group. Please don't be in a hurry to join the community. The community, the mentorship community, don't be in a hurry. But if you have had me and you have made up your mind, please, the link will be dropped right now. Please, that's the YouTube channel being dropped now. So if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. Every of my trainings, my mentorship training, you can listen to them there. And then if you want to join the mentorship community, please also, Omawumi, please help me drop the link for the mentorship community. It's 2 links, one for WhatsApp, one for Telegram. Please click on the 2 and join the 2. But please don't be in a hurry. If you have not made up your mind, don't go there. But if you have made up your mind, you don't want to even give it a second thought to say, let me go and think about it. You have made up your mind, you don't want to go back. Please, as soon as they drop that link, please click on it. You can see the link is being dropped right now. The Telegram and the WhatsApp, you join the 2. It's one single community, but the two links must be clicked. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're going to end this training today. If you have gotten value, the way we celebrate ourselves when we get value for something is to type 777. So if you have gotten value, type 777 in the chat box. but don't miss tomorrow meeting. It's a time to show you products and opportunity that the wealthy take advantage of to enter into wealth. Thank you for staying here with me this 1 hour. Please don't forget, don't come late tomorrow, 2 p.m. on the dot, and it's going to just be for 1 hour. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow.